disease response plan was immediately activated. Samples from these two farms were sent to an OIE reference laboratory in the USA for confirmation. Official results received on Friday, 23rd January, confirmed the presence of avian influenza H5N2 antibodies in one farm. No live virus has been detected as yet. Baja's ongoing testing of other farms in the Spanish Lookout community has detected the presence of AI type A in one additional farm. Samples from this farm has been sent to the OIE reference laboratory for confirmatory tests. Presently, these farms are under quarantine and no poultry or poultry products can be taken out of these farms. I would like to emphasize that ongoing tests by Baja in other commercial flocks in other parts of Belize have confirmed that they are free of avian influenza. Let me stress, and this is an important point, this is an agriculture health issue affecting poultry only. Even within the two infected farms, very limited clinical signs have been observed and no mortality in birds have been reported. While it is too early to identify the source of infection, two possible sources could be, one, through migratory wild birds, or two, by the use of vaccines. We are yet to determine the cause. To finalize, I would like to reassure the general public that poultry meat and eggs are very safe to consume.